Guys, today I want to tell you about TubeMate. That is mytubemate.com. Guys, if you've not started using or tried mytubemate.com, or you've been sent referral and you're trying to know if this is real or not, I want to tell you something. It is complete waste of time and it's all lies. Now the requirement to withdraw is $585, $500 actually. So within some few minutes, I opened so many tabs and I started playing on so many computers. I have so many computers where I work. So I said, let me quickly try this out because somebody was telling me about it, and I said, I don't want to try this, but he said, let's go try it, and I did. Within 4 hours or less than 3 hours, I finished and completed the 500 requirement to download to withdraw your money, and it did not work. So each time they give me this notification, congratulations for reaching 585 point something dollars. Please refer at least 20 friends and withdraw your balance. Once you say all that, you copy your referral link, send to people. If you refer them, they come back in and chat. You won't be able to withdraw. Trust me, I'm telling you the gospel truth of this. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. It's a complete waste of time. Like I went almost having headache on this whole thing. It's complete waste of time. Don't waste your time. I've tried it. You can see the truth here. It doesn't work. It's completely fake and complete waste of time. See you guys in the next video.